Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and Smudge is actually sitting right here. I'm so happy that he's here. There he is. You get to see his little face. We'll see how long this lasts. Anyway, y'all, I won a giveaway and I honestly, I don't enter very many giveaways and I don't remember entering this giveaway, but I'm happy to win it. It's so much fun to win. It's so much fun to win. It just really is. But I want a giveaway so you can win a giveaway. If you can sit down, Smudge. This is what I won. Let's see what it is. And let me tell you about who I won it from. This giveaway win is from Miss Jackie Russell. And Miss Jackie Russell just hit 2,000 subscribers just a week or so before me, maybe a couple weeks before me, and I'm super excited for her. And she's such a lovely lady. She unboxes absolutely everything, and she's just always upbeat and in a good mood. And she's just a delight. And she raises puppies, so that's how she gets her name, Miss Jackie Russell. So you'll see sometimes she does little shorts of her puppies a lot, and you'll see sometimes her puppies, and you'll hear them and everything. And she's just a delight. She's smart and she's funny and she's beautiful and she shows us all kinds of wonderful boxes, and she's a good friend too. And I want to give away some from her. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I won, and then I'm going to do a giveaway for you. And the giveaway for you is you have to be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell and you have to be publicly subscribed to me. And then you will be eligible to win. And I'll probably have you say a word to make sure that you want to be entered. We'll see. Well, let's see. Let me get started, okay? I did cut it open so I can get into it. Oh, and it's in a very nice glossy box. Glossy boxes are the perfect size to fit in these flat rate mailers. So let's see what's in here, because I don't remember. I'm sure that Miss Jackie showed us, but I don't remember. And the glossy box, it's just a beautiful box. So what do we have, Smudge? There's a card right on top. So let's see what it says. It says, oh, these are beautiful. Miss Jackie had these made. It says, thanks, Miss Jackie Russell on it. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It says, I appreciate you and have a blessed day. Thank you, Miss Jackie. Oh, on the inside, look how cute everything's decorated with the cats. Okay, Smudge, we have to let people see. Smudge, come on now. It says, hi, Mary. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. Enjoy your goodies. Congratulations on your win from the I Won So You Can. Okay, so I'm winning an I Won So You Can, and then you can win an I Won So You Can. I hope this makes sense to you all. It says, Laura sent me some great items and I have shared some. Feel free to gift anything you can't use. Your friend, Miss Jackie Russell. So Laura is, her channel, she's fairly new to me, and she shows a lot of wonderful things. I'll put her channel below. Laura's channel is Favorites with Laura, and I've only known her a very short time here on YouTube. She shows a lot of Temu and she shows other things as well, and I'll put her channel below. She's a really lovely lady as well. So in this box we have an Estee Lauder product. I'm surprised to see that because Miss Jackie loves Estee Lauder, and for her to be giving us something. Smudge, could you sit down? I can't get him to sit down, y'all. This is the Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser. Oh, I'm excited about that. This would be great for traveling. Great size for traveling. And then there is this beautiful thing. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I love it. This is by Jot. These are sticky notes. And it is a cardboard, very nice for your desk. It has these beautiful sticky notes, and then it has these tabs that you can use. Oh, I'll be putting that right on my desk. I love paper products, love paper products. There's this adorable little sack, and it says, thank you for supporting my small business. And there are some earrings in here. But there's a lot of stuff in here, Miss Jackie. Wow. All right, let's see. Oh, these are pretty. That little sack is adorable. These are beautiful. Let me see if I can. I'm always challenged opening things up, y'all. Always. So this is, oh, these are really pretty. They're silver, and then they have a hanging pearl. Can you see that? Maybe I'm too close. They're beautiful. I will definitely wear those. Thank you, Miss Jackie. They're beautiful. They're a French hook, which I love. I love the French hooks. For me, those are the best. Oh, hey, why don't I have any earrings on? I'm sure I meant to put earrings on. I'll put them on right now. I'll show you how they look. Thank you, Miss Jackie. I do love earrings. I am an earring person. I love them. All right, hang on. So what I do with French hooks when I get them is the first time I put them on, I squeeze them so that they don't have any chance of falling off. Oh, these are really pretty. Thank you, Miss Jackie. Love them. And there is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara. This is very nice. You know me, I love mascaras. There are some nails, do-it-yourself nails. These are pretty, 24-piece, natural and delicate and comfortable. Very pretty coloring going on there. Really bright and cheery. There is some nail polish from Sally Hansen Insta-Dry nail polish. What is this cute thing? Oh, is this adorable? Look at that, y'all. Smudge. It says, make your own magic. Furry keychain. Make your own magic. You might want this. It's an ice cream cone, y'all. And it's a keychain, or you could put it on your purse or your bag or your, what do y'all call it? Backpack for school. Super cute. Super cute. There is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Skinny Brow Pencil. Smudge, you'll have to move. Mr. Love Dove, and then he won't move out of the way, y'all. And there are some masks. There is the Kiss Silky Satin Day and Night Cap. And there are some eyelashes from Kiss brand. These are the Luxe Effect Premium Matte Faux Mink Hair. Very pretty eyelashes. There is a necklace, and then there are some sheet masks. So let me open the necklace real quick. Try to show you that. I think maybe it's a bracelet. I'm not sure by the length. I can't tell. Let me get it opened here if I can. I can never figure it out. I don't know why I'm so challenged opening things, y'all, but I am. Is this true for everybody? This is very delicate. Very pretty. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. And delicate. It's gold with little tiny black. Are they black? Yeah, little tiny black beads. Isn't that pretty? Very elegant and delicate. Very pretty. Thank you, Miss Jackie. And then there are some sheet masks. So there is one of my very favorite sheet masks of all time. I love FACETORY sheet masks. This one is the Moon Velvet. This is different than most masks you'll try because most masks have a liquid essence. This has the Moon Velvet moisturizing cream on it. So this is a wonderful thing to do if you're going to stay home all day. You can do it in the morning and have fabulous skin all day. Or do this at night before you go to bed, because then you'll just have that moisturizer. You just rub that moisturizer in when you're done, and your skin will be taken care of all night. And then we have the Oh My Goodness Rejuvenating Snail Mask. Anything FACETORY, fabulous. And then we have, this one is Fortify Plus Natural Bacteria Fighting Skincare. And that's this one, a nice Korean mask as well. Thank you so much, Miss Jackie. Now I'll show you what you can win. So thank you so much, Miss Jackie Russell. And y'all, I wasn't sure what was in this little bag that says thank you for supporting my small business. So I took one of these out. It's not a mint. It is a wonderful towel for cleaning your skin. I got this wet. It was a little disc and I got it wet and it turned into this nice big towel. Smudge. So thank you so much, Miss Jackie. That was a great giveaway and I appreciate winning it so much. And now this is what I'm going to send out to whoever wins here. The rules are just your typical rules. They're always in my description. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. Miss Jackie is not responsible for this giveaway. When I get this mailed, I'll get a tracking number, and if it's lost or stolen, I'm not responsible for it being missing. If you're allergic to anything, I'm not responsible for it. I can't replace these items. This is for my subscribers. Like I said, my subscribers, and if you are subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell as well. And this video, or this giveaway will end. I have several giveaways ending at the end of September. So I'm gonna put this through to October 7, which is a Saturday, I think. So we'll end it then at noon Central Time, and then give me a day or two or three to announce the winner. So what I have in the giveaway, Of course, I have to have some sheet masks because I just have to. So I have this Looks and Mel Hello Mama Kama. This is a fun one, lots of fun. And we have this beautiful Fascia Blood Orange Repair and Replenish Mask. And the Kala Skin Smoothing Watermelon Mask. And then I have a couple of eye masks for you in 2 different colors. I have a April Skin brand. This is a cleansing balm. Wonderful for getting eye makeup off. I love a cleansing balm. You can use it all over your face, but I mostly use it after I put a lot of makeup on, especially mascara and liner and all that type of thing. And I also have the, this is by John Paul Mitchell. This is the Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse for your hair. That's for your hair, okay? And I have the O2O Makeup Setting Mist. Really pretty bottle there. And we have, oops, I forgot to take this one out of the box. This is the Ultra HD Powder Pellets. So this is for contouring. It's a nice metal tin. And let me get it open. And it has 12 shades in there, okay? That's very nice. And I have the Grande Cosmetics, the Brow Fill and Volumizing Brow Gel. This is in clear. And, you know, Grande Cosmetics is known for helping your lashes and brows grow. And there's instructions in here as well. We also have the Murillo palettes. These are the Murillo twins, and this is the great, let me see, I'm missing something on here. I just smudged it. Beauty Creations brand, and this is a beautiful palette. It says quad goals on it. I got a little smudge of, I think, some of my eyeshadow on there. I'm sorry about that. Look at how pretty that palette is. It has that metal plate on it, and it is beautiful. That is it there. And then we have this Trace Loose palette. And I thought I got everything open, but I didn't. This is beautiful. This is called Destinos, Eternal Bliss. So it's their signature blue. Look how pretty that is around the sides. And it has a little mirror. And then it has these shades here. So a nice neutral box, a neutral box. So if you'd like to win this, just say enter me in this giveaway, or enter, or the word enter is just fine. I just because I know some of y'all, you know, are here just for support, but if you're interested in winning this box, say enter me or something like that. And the comment picker doesn't use a word anymore. You have to pay for that, you know, so I just run everybody through it. And if I pick your name and you didn't say the word enter, then I know you're not interested. Then I'll pick somebody else, okay? But if I pick you and you say enter somewhere in your comment, you can say whatever you want. You could, you know, say, don't just say enter, you know, say hello or something. But, you know, you could talk if you want, whatever you want to say. And then just say enter and you'll be entered in the giveaway. And like I said, it will end October 7. I believe that's a Saturday at noon Central Time. And then I will announce a winner sometime soon after that. Sometimes I do announce my winners on my Mask Monday giveaways or on my Friday Night Gab giveaways. But I will put in the title winner so that you'll know it's coming. And I always try to get a hold of you. So if you don't get a hold of me first, okay? So thank you so much for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. Thank you so much, Miss Jackie Russell. I'm excited about winning your giveaway, and y'all have a great day. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.